Welcome back to the channel, guys. So, you seen the title of the video. Yes, we are replacing headlights on a Chrysler 300, but the funny thing is the mic got turned off somehow on the camera, so there's no audio. And to save y'all me going absolutely nuts, we're just going to redo it because we got all this done. This passenger side headlight is brand new. I'm going to show you all the video, but it'll be time-lapsed. So, both of them are brand new. This one, the daytime running light strip and the corner light didn't work. So, we got another one in, warranty-wise, and I'm going to change it real quick. It literally takes maybe 30, 45 minutes to get it done. 45 minutes to an hour, max. I just need my jack, my body clip tool, and an 8mm socket. There's 2 bolts on the underbelly skid plate for the bumper that has to come out. And then there's a bolt on each side of the fender, in the fender well, that has to come out. And then everything else just pulls right off. I'm not even going to unhook anything. I'm just going to set it on the ground and then attack the headlight. There's 4 bolts that hold the headlight in place. And then we can get that headlight out of here. That one. Sorry, that one. That one out of there. Hook up the new one and pray to God that it works. So, let's get into it. I'm going to time lapse this real quick and come back to you in a second. to watch me and Hunter do this. And of course I'll try to show you real quick. See all the clips here that have to come out. There's one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there. And they just kind of keep rolling around. Once you get these clips off, you take this corner and you pull real hard and it pops the clips here, pops the clips here and here. So, voila, done. Like I said, the other one, we had an issue with the daytime running light and the corner light. It wouldn't work. So, tell you what, let me do this. Okay. So, had to close the hood to do this, but there we go. Now we've got both sides working like they need to be. So that's going to wrap this up. I did not notice that wasn't working the other day when I did this, so kind of ticked me off until I noticed after we got it done and got it up here. Luckily the company was nice, sent another one out so we could swap it out and get the new one in, get it sent back for warranty type stuff. So that being said, guys, sorry about the video. I know it was time lapse. We tried to do a good video and then it got screwed up, you know. So just remember, bumper bolts are 10 millimeter, headlight bolts are 8 millimeter. There's 2 bumper bolts behind the fender liner, and then there's 4 bolts that hold on the actual headlights. So I'm getting out of here. Next week's whatever Wednesday will be us chilling in Tellico Plains, running Cherry Hollow Skyway, Teller Dragon, Foothills Parkway, and a bunch of other stuff. Got a bunch of different people going, so that's gonna be kind of fun. So that being said, I'm out of here. I gotta get everything done. I gotta get Cliffy Boy here washed up tomorrow, detailed on the inside. Gotta have him looking good for a car trip. But y'all, you know it. We love you. Make sure you smash that like button. Turn and subscribe too. Turn your post notifications on. That way you know when I post. As always, guys, we love you. Dream big. See you in the next video.